Hi guys, this is BIGSHOW channel. I stayed 2 nights at Okura Hotel in Bangkok. I'm living in Bangkok and this time I want to experience just how good this 5-star hotel is for relaxing. I personally have felt that this is one of the best hotel in Thailand. So today I'm going to take a quick tour of this hotel and also explain that good features of Okura. Okay, let's get started. The first point is the location. This hotel is located at Prunchit in CBD area. About a 2 minutes walk from BTS Prunchit station. There are many shopping mall, restaurant and cafe in this area. So it's very convenient to access many places. Okura Hotel is inside of this building. If we go up to the 24th floor, we find the lobby, the reception and bar and Italian restaurant and the Japanese restaurant as well. You can choose 2 kinds of breakfast. I choose the Japanese restaurant. You can see in the breakfast clip later. This floor has a balcony with a green forest view. The second good point is the sky swimming pool on the 25th floor. I have never seen such a swimming pool on a high level in a hotel. Here is the beautiful infinity edge swimming pool outside. The view is just amazing. You can see the city view. At night time, it is light up by Negafood building, which is awesome. Have a seat here and you can feel the window blow comfortably. This is an awesome place to relax. Over there is the Central Embassy shopping mall, only a 5 minutes walk away. This clip is the sunset at 7 a.m. On this same floor is a fitness gym, spa, sauna and shower. The third point is the room plan. This room is approximately 43 square meter and there are wide living and bedroom with dynamic windows. There is also a desk big enough to work at comfortably. To the south, we can see green forest view. I recommend the room facing this direction because the view on the north side is blocked a little bit by buildings. The interior design and decoration are modern Japanese style and every material feels new. I love this atmosphere. The bathroom have rain shower. The bathtub size is good. The water pressure is enough and they provide bath powder for free. And shampoo, conditioner and body soap is also provided. All their own Okura brand, which is high quality and smells good. They have a clothes, iron, umbrellas. And washlet in toilet. The Japanese style is very comfortable for me. This is the spa. You can select many courses including traditional Thai massage. This is the sauna. This is the lounge. This is a swimming pool at night time. Such a beautiful view. The fourth point is that the breakfast is awesome and delicious. This clip is of the Japanese style breakfast. I choose salmon the first day and grilled chicken the second day. There are courses with rice and some vegetable and miso soup, which is very healthy and tasty. The food is very fresh and uses high quality ingredients, and you can enjoy coffee or tea after breakfast for free. The fifth point is hospitality. I have felt this hotel is the best in Bangkok because all staff are very polite, and if you order something, water, a towel or whatever, the service is very fast. It's very comfortable and perfect room keeping. My room had a bit of problem with the cap of water stop in bathtub, so I informed the staff. Then an engineer came and repaired it very quickly. It was perfect hospitality. I love this hotel. I'm sure you can relax in this hotel if you come over here. Hopefully this video help you see how nice this hotel is. See you next time.